माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Respected sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani and Dr. Jitendra Singh, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names in serial numbers 1 and 2, respectively in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General to report.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at sitting held on the 3rd of February 2021 adopted a motion recommending to the Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree to elect 10 members from amongst the members of the Rajya Sabha to join in the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year, beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee, and communicate to the Lok Sabha the names of the members so elected.
Reports of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Srimati Seema Dwivedi.
Yes, sir.
Lok Sabha. Wait, ma. Okay, I noticed. Please go ahead.
महोदय, मैं परमाणु ऊर्जा, जैव प्रौद्योगिकी, वैज्ञानिक और औद्योगिक अनुसंधान, विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी, अंतरिक्ष, पर्यावरण, वन और जलवायु परिवर्तन तथा पृथ्वी विज्ञान मंत्रालयों विभागों की अनुदानित मांगें 2020-21 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित विज्ञान तथा प्रौद्योगिकी, पर्यावरण, वन और जलवायु परिवर्तन संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के क्रमशः 326वें से 332वें प्रतिवेदनों में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों सम्मुक्तियों के संबंध में सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्यवाही संबंधी 333वें, 334वें, 335वें, 336वें, 337वें, 338वें और 339वें प्रतिवेदनों को प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। इन प्रतिवेदनों को 30 दिसंबर 2020 को राज्यसभा में माननीय सभापति को प्रस्तुत किया गया था, जब सभा का सत्र नहीं चल रहा था, और माननीय सभापति द्वारा इन प्रतिवेदनों को परिचालित करने के आदेश दिए गए थे। इन प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को भी अग्रेषित की गई थी।
धन्यवाद। Reports of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways. Saroj Pandey. Nowadays trains are coming on time. All right. Please.
Only metro is not coming.
माननीय महोदय, मैं रेल संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 2020-2021 के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ।
Statement on the Department-led Parliament Standing Committee on Railways, Saroj Pandey. One more statement. Statement भी रख दिया? No, statement is report is different.
कुछ मैं समझ नहीं पाई।
नहीं, दूसरा कह रहे हैं।
Okay.
स्टेटमेंट सभा का पत्र पर रखता हूँ।
Minister can do it. Okay. Reports of the Department-led Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development. Sri Sushil Kumar Modi.
So, I rise to lay the third and fourth reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Urban Development listed against my name in today's list of business. These reports were presented to Honorable Speaker on 11 September 2020. Honorable Speaker had permitted printing, publication and circulation of the report under Rule 280. These reports were also placed before Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha for his perusal.
Statement regarding ordinance, Sri Nityanand Roy. Kishan Reddy, Sri J. Kishan Reddy.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of Honorable Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, I raise to lay a statement in English and Hindi explaining the circumstances which had necessitated immediate legislation by the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Ordinance 2021.